Have you ever wondered how some affiliate marketers always seem to be ahead of the curve and know about all the latest product launches before they happen? And they can get their information out to their subscribers ahead of everybody else. And as soon as most ordinary people find out about it, the best customers, the most promising customers have already been sold to. And you might think, what do they know that I don't? Well, you're going to know after you've seen this video. And there are 4 sites that will enable you to do this, 4 very popular sites. And the first one is Muncheye, which you'll find here at muncheye.com. And Muncheye is mainly aimed at people who work in the IM niche. And if I scroll down a bit, you can see it's listing a lot of the launches here. You've got 2 categories here. You've got premium launches and all launches. Premium launches are by people who are well known in the IM field. So these are people who've been around a long time and who know what they're talking about. And you can be certain that premium launches are going to convert very well. Now, there's a lot of information on the site here, which tells you, for example, the date of the launch. And I'm recording this video on July the 6th. But you can scan a long way into the future here. You can see right the way up to the 21st of October. So it gives you plenty of time to set your marketing funnel up, gives you plenty of time to compose emails if you're going to send emails to your list. It gives you plenty of time to compose articles that you might want to associate with a particular affiliate product. It will tell you what the affiliate platform is. For example, this one's by JVZoo, this one's by ClickBank, and so on. And when you click on the link here, let's just look at here, you can get some information about the particular product and about the launch. For example, it's telling you that the vendor is IM Wealth Builders and the product is the Covert Shirt Store. The launch date is the 7th of July. The launch time is 1 minute past midnight Eastern Time. Front end price is $27. Commission is going to be 50%. Affiliate network is JVZoo, and the niche is software. And you can also see the JV page, which is here, which I'll just open in a new tab. And you can see this is the page. It's got a video, which I've paused for the moment. And it's got the sign up box here and a whole lot of information about the product, etc. Let's just close that. And also shows you how you can join the JV list. There's a link there that you can click. And so on. And you can go through and find out a lot of information about the different products. As I said earlier, mainly in the IM niche. The next one I want to show you is this site here, JV Launch Calendar, which you can find here at jvlaunchcalendar.com. And it's similar to Muncheye insofar as it gives you dates of launches and information about the launches. You can sign up to their mailing list to be notified of upcoming product launches. And you can also do a search by keyword and network. And you can go through here all the different networks like ClickBank and JVZoo and Pay.com and a whole lot of others. It shows you tomorrow's launches as well as today's launches. Also, it does have a real calendar. Let's just click on this link here. And if I scroll down a bit, you'll see it's got them all listed by date and time. So, for example, I know that this product here, EM Genie, is going to be launched on the 14th of July at 12 a.m. Let's just click on that to find out some more information about it. And we can see the name of the product, the name of the vendor, the launch date and time. The times are all Eastern time on this particular site. You've got the JV link, the affiliate network, and some information about the product, the price and commissions, additional launch detail, and contact information as well. And these two particular sites, Muncheye and JV Launch Calendar, are probably the most popular two because they do give you advance notice of when a launch is going to take place. So you can get there on the launch day and get in with the first wave. The next two sites that I'm going to show you are sites that will notify you of launches after they've happened. So you can then go ahead and find out about a product after it's launched, after you know that it's going to be a good seller, and you can get on and offer that to your customers. And the first one is WSO Scout, and you can find it at wsoscout.com. And basically, WSO Scout will send you an email every day with details of WSOs that are launched within the past 7 days, and also the new WSOs listed in the previous day. And it looks a bit like this, and it's all free, so you can sign up by entering your email in this box here. There's also a free ebook that shows you the hottest WSOs of the year special report, which has a lot of very good information in it. And finally, we've got Warrior JV, which is warriorjv.com. And like the first two sites, they will give you information about forthcoming product launches, and you just simply click on the links to go to the JV page for each product. But also, if I scroll down a bit here, you can see they also give you details of previous product launches, so you can pick the winners there as well. So you can pick the winners from the past, as well as get notified ahead of time of forthcoming launches. So there you go. You now have the knowledge and the information to get a head start on other internet marketers and other affiliate marketers. So you can get there first and you can do well. And I wish you every success.